Ever wondered how to change your air filter at home? Well, wonder no more. Today we're diving headfirst into the world of DIY and tackling a task that's not only simple, but can drastically improve the efficiency and lifespan of your HVAC system. That's right, we're changing an air filter. Air filters are the unsung heroes of your home and car, working tirelessly to trap dust, pollen, and other airborne nasties, ensuring that the air you breathe is fresh and clean. But like all heroes, they need a little TLC now and then. Changing your air filter every 3 to 6 months can make a world of difference to your home's air quality and your HVAC system's performance. So if you're ready to roll up your sleeves and get a little hands-on, stick around. By the end of this, you'll be a certified air filter changing whiz. Get ready to learn how to take control of your home's air quality. To get started, you'll need a few simple tools. Let's begin our essential toolkit with a high-quality air filter. The air filter is the star of the show, designed to trap dust, pollen, and other airborne particles that can clog your HVAC system. It's crucial to select the right size filter for your specific system, so make sure to check the dimensions of your existing filter before purchasing a new one. Next up, you'll need a pair of sturdy gloves. These are not just for protecting your hands, but also to keep oils from your skin off the new filter. Believe it or not, the oil from your skin can actually attract more dust and debris, so it's a good idea to keep your hands covered. You'll also need a screwdriver, likely a Phillips head, to remove the access panel on your HVAC unit. Some units may have a simple latch or clip, so the type of tool required can vary. It's always best to check your HVAC unit's manual if you're unsure. A flashlight can also come in handy, especially if your HVAC unit is in a dark or dimly lit area. It can help you see what you're doing and ensure you're placing the new filter correctly. And last but not least, don't forget a trash bag or bin to dispose of the old filter. Trust me, you won't want to carry around a dust-filled filter without somewhere to put it. Now let's talk briefly about choosing the right air filter. Air filters come with different ratings, typically MERV, minimum efficiency reporting value. A higher MERV rating means the filter can trap smaller particles. If you have allergies or pets, you might want to consider a filter with a higher MERV rating. However, remember that a filter with a higher MERV rating may require your system to work harder, potentially increasing your energy costs. With these tools in hand, you're ready to tackle this task. Now, let's get ready to breathe easier knowing that you're taking an important step towards maintaining the efficiency and lifespan of your HVAC system. Now locate your HVAC system's access panel. The journey to a cleaner, healthier home environment begins with this simple step. This is where your old air filter has been doing its job, tirelessly filtering out dust, pollen, and other airborne particles. However, it's time for a change, a breath of fresh air if you will. To get started, we're going to open the access panel. Remember, slow and steady wins the race here. You don't want to rush this part and risk dislodging any of the accumulated dust and debris. Open the panel gently and you'll get your first glimpse of the old air filter. As you can see, it's done a commendable job, but it's clearly past its prime. The dust and debris that have collected on it are signs that it needs to be replaced. Now we're going to carefully remove the old filter. Don't be surprised if it's a bit stubborn, after all it's been there for a while. Hold the filter firmly and pull it out slowly. The key here is to prevent the dust and debris from spreading. Once you've removed the filter, it's a good idea to take a moment to inspect the area inside the access panel. If you notice any substantial dust buildup in there, consider giving it a gentle cleaning. A simple dusting with a soft cloth should do the trick. Now, what to do with the old filter? Well, it's not reusable, so it's off to the recycling bin for it. Make sure to place it in a trash bag to contain any loose dust before disposing of it. And there you have it. The old filter is out, and you've taken a significant step towards improving the quality of your indoor air. But remember, this is just a part of the process. Congratulations, you've successfully removed your old air filter. Now, the stage is set for a new, efficient filter that will ensure your HVAC system performs at its best. Stay tuned as we move on to the next step, installing the new filter. With the old filter out of the way, it's time to install the new one. Installing a new filter is as simple as it gets. You've already got your new filter in hand, and remember, orientation is key. Most filters have an arrow printed on the side that shows the direction of the airflow. This arrow should be pointing towards the furnace or air handler. If you can't find the arrow, don't worry. It's usually on one of the sides of the filter, so take a moment to inspect it thoroughly. Now slide the new filter into the slot where the old one used to be. Make sure it fits snugly and is completely inside the slot. You don't want any gaps around the edges that could let unfiltered air through. If it seems a little tight, that's alright. It's better to have a snug fit than a loose one. Once the filter is in place, give it a gentle push to ensure it's securely seated. You should feel a little resistance, but not much. If it's too hard to push in, double-check that you have the right size filter and that it's oriented correctly. Now, with the new filter securely in place, it's time to close up the access panel. Just like when you opened it, be gentle. You don't want to force it closed or you could damage the panel or the filter. Once the panel is closed, take a moment to wipe down any dust or debris that may have accumulated on the outside. A clean HVAC system is a happy HVAC system after all. Alright, take a step back and admire your work. You've just installed a new air filter. It's a simple job, but one that can significantly improve the efficiency of your HVAC system and the quality of your indoor air. Plus, you've saved yourself some cash by doing it yourself. And there you have it. A brand new air filter, installed and ready to go. Now isn't that a breath of fresh air? So, go ahead and give yourself a pat on the back. You've earned it. Changing your air filter is a quick and easy task, but it can have a big impact on your home. It's more than just a chore on your to-do list. It's about ensuring the health and comfort of your living space. But why is it so important? Let's start with the obvious, air quality. Your air filter is the front-line defense against dust, pollen, and other airborne particles that can infiltrate your home. A clean filter means cleaner air. It's especially crucial if you have allergies, pets, or live in a high-pollution area. By changing your filter regularly, you're not just maintaining your HVAC system, you're also safeguarding your health. Next up, HVAC efficiency. Your heating, ventilation, and air conditioning system is like the lungs of your home. And just like your lungs, it doesn't do well when it's clogged up. A dirty filter restricts airflow, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and consume more energy. This results in higher utility bills and a less comfortable home. Regular filter changes can help keep your system running smoothly and efficiently, saving you money in the long run. Lastly, let's talk about lifespan. Just as regular exercise and a healthy diet can contribute to a longer life for us, regular maintenance can extend the life of your HVAC system. An overworked system due to a clogged filter is more likely to break down, leading to costly repairs or even a full replacement. Changing your filter is a small investment compared to the cost of repairing or replacing your entire system. In essence, regular air filter changes are a trifecta of benefits: improved air quality, increased efficiency, and a longer system lifespan. It's a simple task that packs a punch, and it's a crucial part of owning and maintaining a home. Remember, a well-maintained home is a happy home. So roll up those sleeves, grab that new filter, and let's make your home the best it can be. There you have it, folks. In just a few minutes, you've learned how to improve your home's air quality. We've journeyed through the process together, from understanding the tools and materials needed to removing that old, dust-filled filter, and finally, installing a fresh one. It's a simple task, but the impact is significant. Imagine, if you will, all the dust, pollen, and other airborne particles that this new filter will capture, ensuring cleaner and healthier air for you and your loved ones. Plus the added bonus of extending the lifespan of your HVAC system and improving its efficiency. It's a win-win situation, isn't it? So why not give it a try? Roll up those sleeves and dive into this easy yet rewarding DIY task. Remember, every step taken towards maintaining your home adds to its comfort and charm. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this.